In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. A Likert scale lets people rate several items along the same scale, like from very dissatisfied to very satisfied. It's perfect for measuring attitudes consistently across multiple topics. Start by opening Google Forms in your browser. On the homepage, choose the blank form, so we're starting fresh. Give your form a clear title if you'd like, then click into the first question field. Type the prompt exactly as you want it to appear to respondents. For this example, enter how satisfied you are with each of the following. Keep the wording consistent across your survey so respondents understand they'll answer the same way for every row. Next, open the question type drop-down on the right side of the question and choose multiple choice grid. This format is what turns your question into a Likert-style table where each row is something to rate and each column is a point on your scale. Now add your rows. Rows are the items people will evaluate. For instance, you might list product quality, customer support, pricing, website experience, and delivery time. Keep each row short, specific, and mutually distinct so it's clear what's being rated. Then add your columns. Columns are the scale points. A typical satisfaction scale might be very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and very satisfied. Order them logically from negative to positive, so scanning left to right feels natural. Keep the number of columns consistent across questions to avoid confusion. Turn on require a response in each row. This ensures respondents can't skip a row and gives you complete data for every item you're measuring. Open the three dots menu on the question and check limit to one response per column. This prevents people from choosing the same column for more than one row in the grid, which can be useful when you want a distribution across options and to discourage straight lining. When you're done setting it up, use the preview option to review the form as a respondent. Test it by selecting answers to confirm that each row requires exactly one choice and that the columns read left to right the way you expect. If anything feels unclear, adjust your row labels or column wording for clarity and consistency. That's it, your Likert scale in Google Forms is ready. With a clear question, well-defined rows, a consistent set of columns, required responses, and the limit setting applied, you'll collect structured feedback that's easy to analyze.